Renting an apartment in Japan as a foreigner can be a meticulous process, but following these steps can help. Research and budget. Begin by researching different neighborhoods and setting a budget for your rental. Consider factors like proximity to public transportation, amenities, and local services. Real estate websites. Utilize online platforms like Sumo, Homes, or Gauging.Pot to browse available apartments. These websites often have English interfaces and cater to the needs of foreigners. Real estate agents. Engage with local real estate agents who specialize in working with foreigners. They can assist in finding suitable properties and navigate language barriers. Documentation. Prepare necessary documents, including a valid residence card, passport, proof of employment or income, and a personal seal. Guarantor or guarantor services. Some landlords require a Japanese guarantor. If you don't have one, consider using a guarantor service or a company that provides such services. Visit apartments. Schedule viewings for shortlisted properties. Visiting in person allows you to assess the condition and size of the apartment. Negotiate lease terms. Negotiate rental terms, including rent, lease duration, and any specific conditions. Be clear on responsibilities for maintenance and repairs. Sign the lease agreement. Once terms are agreed upon, sign the lease agreement. Ensure you understand all clauses and seek translation if needed. Key money and deposits. Be prepared for additional costs like key money and security deposits. These are customary in Japan and may be equivalent to several months' rent. Set up utilities. Coordinate with the landlord or utility providers to set up gas, electricity, water, and internet services in your name.